Hey guys, this is Andrew McFarland from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you guys are feeling amazing, happy, healthy, and inspired to launch your juice businesses or grow your existing business. Today, I want to share something with you that we've never done before that is sure to support you in going from wherever you are now to taking that next step, that next leap, getting to that next phase of business development that you've been really aspiring to, but maybe have felt stuck in. And so I am going to be hosting an 8-week Juice Business Accelerator. Now, this is a program that is going to dive into the fundamentals of starting and launching a successful juice business from the ground up. So this is going to be us going over everything from really how do you develop a proper menu, right? How do you raise money for your business, which is such a big sticking point because a lot of you out there have the idea, have the passion, have the know-how, at least as far as what you want to do, but don't actually have the resources to get your business off the ground. So we're going to be diving into that. We're going to dive into how do you create a unique brand and position yourself so that you're not seen as the same as any potential competitors you might have, and customers really are drawn and attracted to your product and your business in a way that gets them to build a consistent relationship with your company, which ultimately is going to make your business more money in the short term and the long term, and so much more. So if you're in a place where you're serious and you're sincere about launching a successful business, or you have an existing business, but it's really just not taking off in the way that you want it to, then I want to encourage you to apply for this program. We're going to be accepting a select group of people, and we want to make sure that everybody who applies really has the best chances of success. And so there's a link below this video. Click the apply button and we'll review their application. And if it seems like you might be a fit, then we'll hop on a call and we'll talk about the next steps to get you enrolled into this program. But like I said, we're only going to be accepting a select group of people because we want to make sure that our time is invested wisely in people who are very serious and sincere about launching their business or expanding their existing businesses. So I know that you guys will enjoy it. As always, wishing you guys a lot of success. I always like to just remind you guys that the work that we're doing is so important and it's so powerful, and it's going to really take courageous individuals to say yes to supporting this world and becoming a healthier place, because the things that are very common and familiar to people like you and myself, where we know the power of changing your diet, changing your lifestyle, incorporating juices and smoothies and more, healthy and whole plant-based ingredients into your diet, what that can do to change your life. But there are a lot of people out there in your community who don't know this and haven't been exposed to it, and they need you to say yes to your business, right? They need you to say, yes, I'm going to take the next step. And also just for yourself to know that you're capable of having a business that can replace your income and double, quadruple, and more your income and bring you to a place financially that you maybe have never seen before or you didn't even know was possible, right? I'm here to remind you that it is all possible. I'm a living example. All the clients that we work with, there's so many people that are living examples of what you can do if you get the right guidance, hold yourself accountable, and do the work in the right strategy, in the right sequence, because I know that oftentimes it's not a matter of not having the passion. I know if you guys are watching this channel, it's because you're sincerely interested and you have the passion, but you need to take the right steps and you need to say yes, because I know that I've talked to people who have been on the sidelines and they were like, hey, I've been watching your content for 2 years, 3 years, but now I'm ready. So if this sounds like you and you've been watching this content and you feel like, yes, I've been sitting on the sidelines for too long, but it's time for me to say yes and to invest in and grow my business so I can take it to the next level and I can really create the vision that I know is possible, then I want to hear from you. Click the link below, apply for this group mentorship program, and we will together make this dream of creating a healthier world a reality. So I hope this has been helpful. As always, if you guys are new to the channel and you guys haven't subscribed, press the subscribe button. We're releasing content like this all the time. Any questions or comments, put it in the comment box below. Follow us on Instagram at StartAJuiceBar. We also have a podcast on iTunes and on Spotify at The Juice Bar Experts. Until next time, wishing you guys a lot of success. This is Andrew McFarland with StartAJuiceBar.com. I'll see you at the next video. Take care. I hope you guys have been enjoying the content. If you're in a place where you are really inspired to launch your juice business, but you're not exactly sure what steps to take, for you, we've created a free ebook, The 15 Steps to Starting Your Juice Bar from Scratch. Now, this is going to give you an overview of all the steps that you need to take in order to launch your business. If you want to go even deeper, we created an online course, the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great detail into every single aspect of the business, starting from the very beginning all the way to actually launching a successful juice business. There's links for both of these in the description below. I know you guys will find a lot of value out of them. As always, wishing you a lot of success, and I'll see you guys in the next video.